Looking for one grooming kit that actually does everything? This Hatteker set brings barber-level results home, fast. Reason 1. It handles hair, beard, nose, ears, body. You get clippers, trimmers, foil shaver, and grooming attachments. That means fewer tools cluttering your bathroom shelf. One kit covers fades, clean lines, and full body cleanup. Reason 2. Precision matters, and this kit delivers it. The Zero Gap T-blade trims down to 0.3 millimeters. Perfect for crisp edges, carvings, and clean bald looks. Whether you're shaping beards or detailing hairlines, it's sharp. Reason 3. Power and convenience make grooming effortless. The 6,500 revolutions per minute's motor cuts through thick hair smoothly. No tugging, no drag, just quick, confident trimming. Cordless design keeps your moves free and natural. The battery gives long runtime for busy schedules. Charge once, groom for days without stress. And the travel lock makes packing safer and easier. Cleaning is simple too, thanks to full waterproofing. Rinse the detachable heads under running water quickly. No messy upkeep, no complicated maintenance routine. The smart LED display keeps you fully informed. Battery percentage, charging reminders, and cleaning alerts stay visible. You always know when to charge and maintain. This is why it feels polished and premium. The engraved black body looks sleek and professional. It feels good in hand, balanced and ergonomic during every pass. Perfect for home users who want better grooming control. Great for barbers who need dependable everyday performance. Also ideal for travel, thanks to cordless portability. Need clean shaving after a haircut? It's easy. Use the clipper first, then finish with the foil shaver. The result feels smoother, cleaner, and more refined. Your beard lines look sharper. Your fade looks cleaner. Even thick, rough hair gets handled with confidence. Every attachment clicks in quickly for hassle-free switching. That saves time when your routine is already busy. It's the kind of tool you'll actually keep using. Because when grooming gets easier, consistency gets better. And better grooming always shows up in your confidence. If you want a smarter kit, this one stands out. It covers more, trims cleaner, and travels better. That's a strong combination for everyday grooming wins. Ready to upgrade your lineup with one purchase? Tap in, grab yours, and make grooming simple. Your haircut, beard, and shave routine just got easier.